with you what I received from Walgreens store, and I got a 25 purchases, so they have a kind of a promo. So this is what I received. It's a sample bag. It says here. So I get a sample bag full of stuff, full of products. So I'm gonna take one by one. So I have a glowing, healthier skin in 1 week. That's number 7. It's a serum. There's also Lumify for the eyes. I got also a banana boat. It's SPF 50, light as air. So it's gonna be nice for the summertime. Clear sunscreen spray. Oh, it's just a spray. It's nice. It's a spray. And I have a degree for men. I have a CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. Oh, I'm gonna try this. I have a Nautica Midnight Voyage. It's a small perfume inside. Smells light. And I have a Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal. This is for the hair. Yes, say it's free sample. It's a Nexus Scalp Energy Hair and Scalp Vitality Gentle Exfoliate Scalp Scrub. That's nice. We're gonna try them. And I have another, the last one would be, these are all sample. Nivea Oil Infusion Lotion, Coconut and Monoi Oil. So that's all in the bag. So that's all for today. That's only I just let you see what I got from the Walgreens store, and hope I can try some of this soon. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and be safe, everyone, and see you on my next video. Bye.